In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can easily install IPTV here on your Daewoo TV. For the first step, we have to go into our search, into our home menu. And here we can go all the way down until we get here to the App Store, or we can here go to the apps and go to the right. So, and here we see like the App Store. But I now click here on this, and here we can easily look for some IPTV apps. So here down there we have like Mega IPTV, but what we also can do is go all the way up and go here into the search, and here we can easily look for IPTV. So, and here we have then like many different IPTVs. So click on this and then go down here and then go for search, and here we have like IPTV Smartest Pro, or we have also like other things here like IPTV portal and something else. So when we want to download the app, then click on this and then we can easily start. So, and this is all we have to do, and now you can easily choose this here. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.